Hi, this is Aarushi Oswal. I'm a professional makeup artist and a makeup trainer. Today I'm going to show you how to do a perfect party look.
It happened again. I've stayed for too long and I woke up at your place again. And all this time we said this would end. Instead we completed that both of us needed more than a friend. Thought he'd be someone else, that it would take me a while. But right next to you now I'm sleeping, no rhyme or reason to that. If this is what love is, then it's worth the while. Can't get enough of this, thought of you as I like where I am. I'll stay for a while and I'll be here when you're back again. And all this time, love was right where I stand. Thought I'd had to search for the love that was right here, my best friend. Thought he'd be someone else, that it would take me a while. But right next to you now I'm sleeping, no rhyme or reason to that. If this is what love is, then it's worth the while. Can't get enough of this, thought of you as it happened again. I've stayed for too long